Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mastering Price Action. My name is Karina Fabi, and in this quick introduction, we're just going to talk about a little bit of my experience in the market and why you should stick to price action and why this is going to help you to have that quality jump into mastering your trading and mastering online trading. Because everyone that's here, of course, you've been through indicators, charts, and all of that. And let me tell you a little bit about me so you know why this is going to help you to actually have the quality of trading and consistency that you are actually looking for. Okay, so everything started back in 2005. I got my degree in international relations. And on that year, along with my thesis, I was already studying technical analysis with Murphy. I was studying candlesticks. I was studying all that, learning curve that we all have at the beginning. Okay, so, and then I started trading, let's say, after 3 months of very diligent studies and very strong determination that's what I wanted to do from my profession, right? So after that, I pretty much had a terrible experience on my first year and a half, basically ups and downs, ups and downs. And then I couldn't make it happen. Let's say I couldn't have a consistency in trading. Okay, I was making the money, losing the money, making the money, losing the money. And at the time, I moved to the US when I got my degree. And that was in 2008, where that year I decided because of the subprime crisis, I couldn't make it through that crisis. And I was already in the United States. I'm from Argentina, and I was already in the United States actually trading. And so I got basically a terrible experience with technical analysis and indicators, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, all of that. None of that happened. None of that actually worked with the crisis of 2008. So in that year, I decided to make the jump into professional trading. So I got into New York, and I started trading for hedge funds there. I was in the FX desk. That was actually and it's always been my experience in the market. But you can learn price action, and you can use price action with many other instruments. So once I got there, because I realized that when I lost in my trading back in, when I started it, I said, well, if I'm losing money, someone is making money. Because if I don't know how to short in a crisis, someone did it, and someone was actually making the profits, and I was losing. Okay, with my own trading school. So once I got to New York, once I got to the desk, and I saw that nobody was using indicators. Nobody was using charts. I mean, formations and charts, or technical analysis, or reading the double top, double bottom, or reading the breakouts, or reading none of those strategies that I knew. And they were only focusing on price activity. They were only focusing on price, buy price, sell price, buy the price activity situation. That was so new for me, That was lost without trying to put my trend lines in the charts, trying to put my moving averages, my Bollingers, my Fibonacci, all of that. So after a while, because I was a junior back then, so you have to be fresh for them, so they can give you all the insight, all the price action, all their strategies. So, and I was lucky enough to have that coaching. Okay, so that was the professional jump that I did back on those days, back on time. So I had that experience. That was great, but you work for a hedge fund. You're not fully independent. Okay, so once you're done with that experience, most traders, they have, they start their own funds, or they just have, well, they educate other people. You have many different ways to go with this business. So I started trading for myself in 2008. I moved actually to Chile. I'm from Argentina. I was living in the US for 5 years with the bad experience and the good experience on Wall Street. Then I moved to Chile and I started to watch mytrading.com, and I started coaching traders and hedge funds. Like I was preparing hedge funds with price action. Then 2019, it was already too much because no one was actually trading price action the way it's supposed to be. So it was already too much education to give to traders to have their hedge funds work properly. So I had to make programs. I had to record videos and everything for them. And that's why Watch My Train took place. 2019, I decided to release the book, to read my first book, Price Action for All. You can find that one else in Amazon or in my website. And just basically trying to put things together, okay, for people to kind of spread this information, because like, one more time, nobody will know how to trade price action properly the way you're going to learn in this course. And then as today, we're all over the world with many cities and plenty of study of students. And I have a lot of cooperators as well, spreading the word of price action and my book. So this is just a quick brief about me and why you should stick to this course and get the best out of price action, the best out of my material. And I wish you a good luck, and I'll see you on the next topics.